In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this drawing mechanic. So as you can see, there are two sliders here, one that changes the color and one that changes the size. We also have a mode we can toggle. So if we come over here to the pen color, we can slide this to change the color. We can see this text color being changed. And let's say I choose a green color and I just draw something over here. You can see it has the same color. You can also change the size here, the slider. So if I make this like really huge, you can see it's like really big. And I can make it, you know, like medium big. And I can also change the mode to erase mode. So I can just erase all of this here. You can also make this huge or make this like really small. And that's all, so we can get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is delete the cat. I'm going to make a new sprite. So don't put anything here, leave this empty. And I'm going to name this drawer. Just like that. So first, I'm gonna get one green flag clicked. Then we're gonna come over here, right down in the bottom left corner. Click on this. Then choose the pen extension. Alright, so first we're going to erase everything once we start. Then we're going to have forever, if else, mouse down. So if we have our mouse down, we're going to go to the mouse pointer. Then we're going to put the pen down. And if we're not holding the mouse down, we're going to pull the pen up. So if we try this, you can see it working. So now if you want to change the color and size, I'm going to make two variables here. One named color. Sorry, pen color. Okay, and pen size. Here. Okay. Now I'm gonna put another green flag clicked. Then we're going to set pen color and the pen size to 0, and we come over here to the variables. If you right click this, you can actually change the way it displays the variable. So if I choose large, you can see it's now bigger. And if I choose slider, you can have this slider option. So if we right click it again in the slider mode, we can change the slider range. I'm gonna leave this at 100, but I'm gonna change the pen size, the maximum size for the pen, 50. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them there. Now I'm gonna get a forever. I'm gonna go to the pen, and I'm going to set the pen color to the pen color variable. I'm gonna do the same with the size. Oops. Set pen size to pen size variable. If we try this, I can change the color. See, it's green. So I go all the way there. Red, purple, nice. And if we change the size, yep, it's also working. So if we want to do the erase mode, first we're going to make a new variable. We're going to call it pen mode. Okay. Then I'm going to go to variables, then set the pen mode to draw. Also going to get a one green flag clicked. Now forever, drag two ifs, if key. You can choose anything, but I'm gonna choose 1 and the other one 2 because it's easier to switch. And I'm going to set the pen mode to draw. If I click 2, then I'm going to switch to erase. Just like that. I'm going to drag an if else here. Then I'm going to get an equals to. Go to variables, choose the pen mode. So if pen mode equals erase, then we're going to set here. We're going to set the saturation to 0. Else, we're going to set it to 100%. Just like that. Okay, so if we try this, I'm going to draw something here, test this out. And if I switch to the erase mode, and there you go, it works. There you go, you've got your own simple drawing mechanic. And that's the end of the video. You can subscribe or not, but thanks for watching.